So hello friends, myself Home and you are watching the YouTube channel TrakinTech. Today I will tell you the specifications of Mi 11 Pro. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Mi 11 Pro are Snapdragon 888, 6.7 inches, QHD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz fast refresh rate, 108 megapixel rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, 50 watt fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 11. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Mi 11 Pro. There are 3 color variants of Mi 11 Pro: silver color, blue color and black color. There are 2 storage variants of Mi 11 Pro: 8GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB. This is the front side of Mi 11 Pro. This is the back side of Mi 11 Pro. The launch date of Mi 11 Pro is on 28 December 2020. This is the launch date of China. India launch is not confirmed, but it will mostly launch in end of the January. In my opinion, the expected price of Mi 11 Pro should be below 58,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.